All right, dudes, look, check it out. So we're going to use the rice water here on your beard, all right? This is the Yum Yum Black. Uses black forbidden rice, vegetable glycerin, Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary essential oil, orange essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, and avocado leaves, and what is that other stuff? Star anise. Boom. All right, there we go. So we got that stuff there. I missed the whole beginning of this tutorial. Damn it. All right, look, anyway, we're going to catch up. You spray it in the beard. You spray it in there, get it in there. You want to make sure you massage the area, all right? You want to make sure the water gets to every nook and cranny. Now, of course, you know, water drips down with gravity. So I'm going to use the thick side of the dual threat pick here to comb through and get in. Yeah, ooh, what was that? Wow. I was dumbfounded for a second. All right, get any of the excess water. I'm going to get it out, right? So it seems counterproductive, but just stick with me. I'm going to get it out. But while I'm doing this, I'm detangling as well. So what I'm doing is I'm getting the water out, making for a smoother detangle. I'm getting in there, so the water's getting to stuff, but then it's also getting rid of the excess, and just combing, just like that. All right, you following so far? If not, let me know. We can rewind, we can go back, we can talk about it again, but I'm just detangling, right, because you don't want to have a nappy beard, and then I'm using the water to help with the slippage, while also letting the water get onto the skin, get onto the roots and stuff like that. Does this make sense? Because it's confusing me right now. No, it doesn't. I got this. So look, all right, so now I'm going to put it back, all right? So then I'm going to grab the agave butter, all right? So now I'm going to lock in the moisture for all the excess stuff. Because what happens, like I said, gravity pulls water down, away, runs it down the beard. So I want to lock what I have in there into the beard. A little bit of water, a little bit of butter, right? It's a light butter. You can use any butter that we have that's a light, even consistency. You can just rub that in there. Boom. All right? There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Get it in there. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something. What am I going to do? But okay, grab a little mini brush. Right, I grab a little mini brush and I'm just going to brush it through just to get the butter onto all the follicles. This brush is extremely tiny. My hands are too big for this and it's very uncomfortable, and I just wanted to show you I had one. So that's really all I wanted with that one. And now I'm going to grab my beard guard. Take the beard guard, put it on, strap it on, you know, put it around the ears and whatnot, and that's it. That's all I got to do. And I'm going to take my happy self to sleep, and overnight my beard is going to enjoy all that moisture. So subscribe, catch you later.